Hi, my name is Cristian Gradistanu and I'm pleased to welcome you to this course, Introduction to Android Studio. First, let's see what is Android Studio. Android Studio is the main IDE for Android development. But what's an IDE? According to Wikipedia, an IDE is an integrated development environment that provides facilities to computer programmers for software development. This normally consists of a source code editor, build automation tools, and a debugger. Modern IDEs also have intelligent code completion, and Android Studio makes no exception here. Android Studio allows you to develop Android applications more efficiently. Okay, now that we discussed about what is Android Studio, let's see why will you want to use it. In the past, Eclipse IDE was the main development tool for Android. All that changed with the launch of Android Studio, an IDE developed by Google, meant to replace Eclipse as the #1 development tool for Android. So, if you just started developing Android apps or are a seasoned developer, sooner or later you will have to use Android Studio. This course is an introduction to the Android Studio IDE meant to help you develop Android applications fast and more efficiently. You can obtain more information about Android Studio at developer.android.com/tools/studio. Let's see what we are going to cover in this course. We will start with a discussion about Android Studio features. We'll see what Android Studio has to offer for us, the developers. Next, we'll get into more details about its main user interface elements and tools. We'll get our hands dirty by writing code, creating packages, classes, methods and variables, and we'll discuss about the powerful refactoring tools available in Android Studio. We will continue our lesson with the version control systems that Android Studio offers, especially Git. We will see how to debug and run our applications on real devices and emulators, and we will generate the release version of our app that will allow us to publish our application on Google Play Store or any other Android marketplace. Along the way, we will cover tips and tricks that will help you use Android Studio more effectively and efficiently. During this course, if you have any questions regarding this topic, feel free to start a discussion or write me an email and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. You can also follow me on Twitter and Google+ if you would like to connect with me. That being said, let's get started with Android Studio.